Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I received the Allure beauty box for January. Do you want to see what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay you guys, so my Allure for January 2020 just arrived and I'm so excited because I heard on my December unboxing, somebody had told me that January and I think February are supposed to be amazing boxes as well. So I'm so excited to dive in and see. I haven't watched anybody's videos. I haven't seen any spoilers or anything like that. So I'm so excited to see what we have. So when we open it up, there is the pamphlet. That's what it looks like. So let's see what we have going on this time, you guys. Okay, so the first thing that I'm pulling out is Lights Camera Lashes 4-in-1 Mascara by Tarte. And this is valued at $23. So this alone is more than this entire box. This is in the color black, which I do like that it's a black because that's all that I do now wear. And okay, so it's this style on the inside. It is a yellow. I almost dropped it. What else is new? And there is the wand right there. So I'm really excited to try this and see if it does work. I mean, the before and afters look amazing, but I've purchased so many different mascaras and the before and afters look amazing. And when I put them on, I'm like, what in the world? Like, I don't have those results. So I will definitely try it out. I don't really care for Tarte's eyeshadow, but I do like their mascara and their eyeliner. So I'll definitely try this out and hopefully it's good. I guess you could have got two different ones. You would have got this one or the Tarte gifted Amazonian Clay Smart Mascara. So you would have received the one that I got or this one right there. And the other one would have been valued at $23 as well. Okay, so then next we have is a Kate Somerville. This is an intense exfoliating treatment. And the full size, this is a 0.25 fluid ounce. The full size is 1.7 fluid ounces for $75. So that seems like a whole lot of money for a small container. So I'm assuming this is going to be good. So how to use AM or PM. Use once or twice a week, apply to wet face, massage for 30 seconds, leave on for up to 2 minutes, rinse and gently pat dry. For sensitive skin, leave on for less than 1 minute. And that's what it looks like on the inside. So this must be pretty powerful stuff because you're only supposed to use it once or twice a week. So I can't wait to try that, especially if the full size is that much for such a small bottle. If you guys have actually used this and you like it, let me know. I mean, I'm definitely going to try it out, but holy moly. It says the best-selling exfoliator is infused with scrubbing exfoliants and fruit enzymes to reveal a smoother, brighter, healthier looking complexion after just one use. Wow. Alrighty. We will definitely be trying that. All right, so the next looks like we have a lip restoration. And this right here says $30. I wonder if that's for this size. It doesn't have the size on here, but for lip products, they normally are smaller. So I don't know if this is going to be a full size or not, but if it is, then this is definitely $30. And it looks just like a normal lip balm. Ooh, but it's not as hard of a consistency as I was actually expecting. Pretty much my whole finger just shoved in there. So it's not like a hard where you have to like dig in there pretty good to get a little product. No, it's pretty loose. It's pretty loose consistency. So be careful. So there's that. I mean, it feels nice and I'm all for rejuvenating your lips and making them nice and soft and silky smooth. says it's a lightweight, creamy treatment guaranteed to provide instant hydration for dry and chapped lips. Alrighty. So then, now we have is a Vitae C12 dual drop serum, age defying and deep hydration. There's the packaging. Now it says that the full size would be $62 for like a 1 point something ounce. I can't really see the little small fine print, but this guy is 0.34 fluid ounce. So there's actual container. So then this one says, apply an appropriate amount to the face and neck, gently tap into the skin until well absorbed. Alrighty then. This serum delivers a powerful property blend of vitamin C, G, and properties to help reduce signs of aging, brightening the skin and providing deep hydration to improve dryness and overall skin complexion. So at least that is enough in there that you can definitely try out. So at least it's not a little tiny little sample where you might get like 1 or 2 nights out of it. That's a pretty good size sample to try out. So then next we have is Renewed Hope in a Jar Water Cream by Philosophy. Ooh, can't wait to try that. This guy here, the full size would be $39 for like a big jar of it, which would look like that. And this says a hyaluronic glow moisturizer applied to clean face in the morning and evening. And I like Philosophy brand, so I'm all for it. It is a small little guy, but if you do like it, then the full size seems pretty reasonable for $39. I mean, sometimes you can get a little thing and it's like over $100 for like a skincare product. So I will definitely try this out and see how I like it. So there's that. And then there's one item left in here, and this is Perfect Shine Oil Mist Nature's Lab Color and Heat Protectant. I don't put oils in my hair. My hair is not oily and I don't want it to be oily. I just don't put anything in my hair, to be quite honest. But the full size of this, which would look like this bigger bottle here, the full size bottle is $16. And there you go. That's for a 4 fluid ounce. And this guy right here is a 1 fluid ounce. So 4 of these would be the full size for $16. But there is that. And it says a light reflecting hair oil mist for instant smooth wow factor and shine. Light mist on dry hair for minor like shine. My hair is already shiny, so I definitely don't need to add any more shine. So there is that. So what came in this Allure beauty box, you guys, was this hair product. You have a Philosophy product to try out. You have a lip product, which my lips do feel nice and silky soft. We have the serum. We have the Kate Somerville product. And then we have a full-size Tarte mascara. So for $15 and free shipping, I definitely am, I'm actually happy with my box. I mean, last month I think was better, but that's the thing with Allure. Sometimes you're gonna get products and they're all gonna be sample sizes and you're disappointed. And then some, it just knocks it out of the park. But then you'll have the in-betweens like this, which are good boxes, but it doesn't have like the huge wow factor. But this is still a really good box. And again, this right here is more than the entire box, and you get to try out these other samples, which are really good as well. But I think this one right here might be a full size. I'm not quite sure. If one of you guys know, let me know, but the other ones definitely are not a full-size product. So I cannot wait to see what February brings. Again, I heard that January and February were supposed to be really good. Like the December one was amazing. So I can't wait to see what happens next month. So let me know, did you get the Allure? Did you get the same products in there? What did you get in yours? If you got anything different, let me know down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. I'm scared, but I'm gonna try it again. What in the hell? This is some bush. You got a weed whacker? Let's get a weed whacker up in here.